A very good morning to you all. Children, I hope you all have done your subtraction work in copy. Today we are going forward. We are going to start subtraction without borrowing. Okay, so we are going to subtract two-digit number and one-digit number from three-digit numbers. Okay, suppose we are going to subtract 5 minus 5 from 687. Okay, so this 5, it can be written as 005. Okay, so for step 1, first, children, we are going to read the numbers in ones column. Okay, we are going to write these numbers in the form of tens, hundreds, and hundred tens and ones. Okay, so let's start. Now see. So we have written here hundred tens ones. So 687. Okay, so 600, 8 tens, 7 ones. Okay, so first we'll see the ones column. 7 minus 5, we'll get here 2. Then we're going to see the numbers at tens column, 8 and 0. So 8 minus 0, 8, and 100 columns, since 6 minus 0, 6. Okay, so we'll get 682 minus 6, 5. Okay, then again we'll do 16 is minus, or it is subtracted from 337. So again in the form of 100 tens and ones, 337. Then we are going to write here 0 because nothing is there in hundreds place. So 3, 1, 10 and 6 ones. So we'll minus it. 7 minus 6, 1. Then 3 minus 1, 2. And 3 minus 0, 3. Okay, so we'll get here 321 by subtraction 16 from 337. Okay, so we'll move on to exercise 4.5. Okay, now let's start with question sum number 1. So first we write here 0, 0, 0, 0 because no number is there, so we'll assume 0 over here. So 4 minus 3, 1. 8 minus 0, 8. 2 minus 0, 2. So 281. Similarly, here also 9 minus 7. We write here, first we write here 0. 9 minus 7, 2. 5 minus 0, 5. 3 minus 0, 3. Okay. So in this way, children, do the other sums in your copy. Okay. Then we'll do subtraction with borrowing. So children, here we are going to just subtract three-digit number from three-digit number. Okay, let's start. Let's have a look for this example. So we are going to subtract 305 from 523. So first we write it in the form of 100 tens and ones. So 5 is 100, 2 tens, 3 ones, and 300, 0 ones, 5 tens. Also 0 tens, 5 ones. Okay. So again we'll do the minus or the subtraction from these sums. So children, now see here. Here children, 3 is on the top and 5 is below. So we cannot minus 5 from 3. Okay. So we're going to borrow numbers. So we borrow 1 from this 2. So here it becomes 13 ones. Okay. We'll cut here 2 and we'll write here 1. Okay. So 13. So we'll cut 3 over here. So we'll minus 5 from 13. So 13 minus 5, it is 8. Again, what is left behind here? 1 test. Okay. So 1 minus 0 is 1. And 5 minus 3, 2. Okay, 218. Then we'll move on to exercise 4.6. Okay, so let's have a first sum. So 3 minus 7 is not possible, so we'll take 1 from this 5 tens. Okay, so we'll here it becomes 13. Okay, then What is left behind here? 4. Okay. So 13 minus 7, which number is left? 6. Okay. Then 1, then 4 minus 1. We'll get here 3. And 6 minus 2, 4. Okay. So in this way, do the sums of 4.6 in your copy. Okay. Then children, we move on to subtraction with borrowing, double borrowing. Okay. So here again children, we subtract 358 from 526. Okay. So again in the form of tens and hundred tens and ones, 5 2 6 3 5 8. Okay, so 16, 6 minus 8, we cannot minus 8 from 6. So we'll borrow 1 from this previous number. Okay, so here 2 is here, so we look at 2, we write here 1, we look at 6, we write here 16. Okay, so 16 minus 8, 8. Okay, then 1 minus 5, so it is not possible, so again we'll take the borrowing number from 5. Okay, so it becomes 11. Okay, so 11 minus 5, 6. So which number is left here? 4. So 4 minus 3, 1. Okay, so in this way do the sums. Okay, 4.7. So subtraction 33 plus 7. So again we'll take borrowing here. So we'll take here 1. So it becomes 13. So 13 minus 7, 6. Okay, then here what is left behind? 4. Okay, so 4 minus 8 is not possible, so we take borrowing from this 4. Okay, so 4, 1 plus 1, 4, 14, and 14 minus 8. So how much number is left? 6. Okay, then again what it becomes here? It becomes here 3. So 3 minus 2, 1. Okay, so in this way children do the other sums. Okay, so we'll do, children, that is all for today. We'll do more on vertical more subtraction with borrowing in our next class. Okay, so children, do the exercise 4.6, 4.5, 4.6 and 4.7 in copy and send it to the WhatsApp. Okay children, now children, that is all for today. Goodbye. Thank you.